Hello friends, this clip gives an insight into how we propose to handle mismatches issues under GST, which will help compliances and ensure that there is no credit loss to your organization. Under GST, we have already filed or have been filing various returns in forms GST R3B, GST R1 and GST R2 on GST network. After the returns have been filed on GSTN, finance heads face various other issues like vendor follow-ups, mismatches in input and output details, credit loss, unnecessary liabilities, legal issues, missing invoices, ineligible or blocked credits, additional compliances, and so on. Since there is a chance of credit loss, so the questions that come up are: what is to be done, who is going to follow up with the vendors, how we can get it corrected from the vendors, what is the further action plan. VPGCO is there to support you. VPGCO would be working for all your mismatch issues and input tax credit. We would be calling the vendors to resolve the issues. SMS and emails will be sent as reminder. Follow-up for the corrections will be done. If required, calls will be fixed between concerned executive and the vendor to resolve the specific issue. We will provide you the process reporting on a timely basis. We would be managing the mismatches using our CRM tool, which would be having system-generated calls, emails and SMS. All recording of call will be available for future reference, which could be useful in case there are any disputes. Proper escalation matrix would be there. Notes will be maintained for every call. Thank you for watching. For further information, please visit our website www.vpgco.com or call us on 011233511153.